Chris, thank you. People around the country are getting creative to connect with loved ones in nursing homes. The facilities are on lockdown and are not allowing visitors. So from Wisconsin to Pennsylvania, we've seen people surprising seniors, but from a distance. But that's even being discouraged in the St. Louis area. Lauren Traeger is live asking retirement homes what they're doing to keep seniors from feeling lonely.
Yeah, all around our region, retirement homes basically are on lockdown, and a lot of people I've talked to said it's a really heart-wrenching situation. People cannot visit their parents, spouses are separated, and in some cases, even people on their last days in hospice cannot have visitors.
The loneliness can set in so quickly if they're not having visits from their families. All they have right now is the staff.
At Anthology of Clayton View, Christine Baker's well aware how hard things are right now for residents.
Everybody that comes in has to have their temperature taken. We don't want anything to happen to our residents or our staff.
Visitors like us aren't allowed in.
They don't know why their families haven't been to visit. They don't know why we can't get together anymore and do activities. It's just very difficult for everyone.
That's why staff here have gotten creative. On Friday, a social distancing happy hour, sipping wine, a safe 6 feet apart.
They didn't quite understand at the beginning why we were keeping them so separate, but as we explained it, they appreciated the effort that we're putting in.
Good to see you, doll.
And for the very first time, residents are looking into iPads, FaceTiming their families.
I feel good.
It's so much fun for them and so heartwarming for us to see the looks on their face when they can actually see their loved one and talk with them.
A bill that would have allowed permanent cameras inside nursing homes ground to a halt along with all other work at the Missouri Capitol. It's challenging times for all.
It's just also important to continue life as much as possible, and that's our job in the engagement team.
But worth it.
Because this is such a vulnerable population, we cannot let this virus in.
I love you.
I love you.
With the hope things will return to normal for our seniors soon.
The sooner the better, yeah.
And while those gestures of the signs outside the homes or coming to the window were certainly appreciated, people are now discouraging you from doing that because most people are supposed to be staying home. But there are ways that you can help from home. Experts say you could just randomly call a retirement home, ask to speak to a resident, chat with them. You can also send in letters, cards, maybe kids' art, and of course they will sanitize it before it gets to the residents. Now there are lots of questions right now about long-term care facilities, whether people can move into them or they should move out of them. We have a resource for you on KMOV.com and the KMOV mobile app. Reporting live in Valley Park, Lauren Traeger, News 4.